Dora, you like it? Who likes Dora? Like Dora here? We'll cut here. Give me the scissor.
No.
Hello everyone. Remember on our last vlog, I promised I will cut Ate Kate's hair with this clipper, okay? And now we're gonna show you how an engineer cuts the hair, okay? But first, we will identify our tool. Of course, we have our clipper. I'll get another tool, which is this is a spirit level. You know, I'm sure engineers know about the spirit level. This spirit, I don't know why it's called spirit level. Maybe there's some spirit inside here. See the bubble? See, there's a spirit. See the bubble? Yeah, that's a spirit level. Now, this is a very important tool an engineer have, because see, straight. You will level the head of Kate and see that this is straight so that the hair will be fine. Okay, Kate. Level, and on the side also you have to level this one. Okay, that is our first tool. Another tool that engineer will have for sure. You know this one. Everyone knows this. What is this? Ate, what is this?
A measuring tape.
A measuring tape. Very good. Yeah, this is a measuring tape. I'll cut at this hair like, I think, yeah. Can we go down like 35 centimeter? Yeah, this will be our finished product. 35 centimeter. Yeah. How cool! An engineer cut the hair. I'm super excited. Okay. Yes, Ate, do you want a hairstyle? What hairstyle do you want? Can I see it? Wow! This is the final product. Wow. Okay, guys. Alright. But if there's something wrong, we engineers have different options. Okay, guys, we have a lot of options. If there's something wrong with the hair cutting, I will have an option. Kuya, come here. Yeah, this will be our final product. This is the final product, guys. So no need to worry in cutting the hair. There is always a final product. Okay? Okay. Thanks for the cooperation, guys. Okay, let's start. Start. Let's make it straight. Ate. Oh, yeah, it's already level. Then there's comb. We have to comb. You got a nice hair. Okay, nice idea. Later on, I don't know what will happen. Alright, let's do it. Wait. We have to measure it. How much? 35. Alright. Should be here. 35. Alright. Right. I'm really good in cutting. Wow, it works. Whoa, this is good. And very fast. Okay, Te. Are you okay, Te?
Yeah.
Okay. She's fine now. But later on, I don't know what she will Maybe she will quarantine for 14 days. Oh, it's a, whoops! Like that. This tool is very amazing. Whoa! Really works. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I like it. Okay, Ate.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying? Wow. What?
No.
You're not enjoying? Oh my gosh.
The same as you.
Wow. It's stick. Stick. Whoops. Let's see. Okay. Why are you laughing? Level. What? Oh, let's put it in the pocket. It's good that I have pocket. Okay. Yeah. Here. Alright. It really works. Let's see. Oh, almost done. Okay. Ate. Okay, Ate. Wow. Alright. Good. Nice. Okay. Really looking at it.
Ah, that hurt.
Hurt?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, that hurt.
Sorry. I think it's nice. Okay. Cool? Cool. Very cool. Let's try to measure it. Okay. Oh, perfect. See? 35. Yeah. It's a finished product.
It's my
So,
hairball.
we're gonna comb it.
Go with it.
Oh.
We cannot go with it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's really good. It's like we have to little touch up. Yeah. Have to little touch up. Okay. Okay. Gotta cut once more. Don't move. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Look. Okay. Finish. Look at mommy, look at mommy. Go. Now you're like, what's the Disney character? Pocahontas. Yeah. Is it beautiful? Is it beautiful, Kuya?
Yes!
Yeah. Yeah. What?
Long.
Huh?
It's long.
It's long. Yeah, it's still long. You like Dora? Dora, you like it? Who likes Dora? Like Dora here? We'll cut here. Give me the scissor.
No.
Dora likes. There's a bungs here in the. Yeah, there's one of our tool also. It's for an engineer, also for kids. This is a ruler. Okay. You gonna cut what which here at the end, the bungs. It's okay. Huh?
I don't want that. I don't want that.
Which Disney, like Dora or Pocahontas? Okay, I guess this is the finished product. We'll do it quickly because there's another customer waiting for me. Okay, bye. Wait. Still more? Okay. Guys, if you want some haircut, you just come to our house. I'll give you a free haircut. I'll totally remove your hair, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bing, 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 bing. Bye-bye. See you in our next vlog.